accidentally dropped my router. The handle has broken right off. Glue will not be strong enough. We use a hot soldering iron. The idea is to fuse the plastic but deep in. The soldering iron is plunged deeply. We want the plastic to be melted to the bolt. The entire house will smell of burning plastic. Don't worry how bad it looks right now. When it comes to knobs, the deeper the penetration, the better. Keep that motto and everyone stays happy. We grab some donor plastic. This is the plastic. It's got to be the same type as the knob. This will be welded into position with heat. Try not to damage the plastic, which is not part of the join. Like real metal welding, porosities will show. Unless you're a good welder. This would be easier if we had a lathe. Using the poor man's lathe. We continue melting the donor plastic. Try to fill in the voids. Try to avoid voids. The drill press lets us rotate the handle. We use a file to trim the excess off. You can add more plastic if you're fussy. We swap to rough sandpaper. I think the grit was about 10. Gradually swap to finer sandpaper. Don't polish your knob too much. Sand the handle to resemble the original texture. How good does this look? You cannot see the repair at all. Oh, here's the repair. You can see it now. Strength is the main aim. Stronger than any super glue or epoxy. We don't want this snapping off while we work. Thanks for watching.